Hira everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, today we are making Aloo Tuk, a crispy, flavorful and delicious Sindhi snack that is golden on the outside and soft on the inside. The ingredients include small tikki potatoes, salt and oil. For the Aloo Tuk masala, we will use turmeric powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, black pepper powder, a pinch of black salt, red chili powder or red chili flakes. Take all these spices in equal proportion and mix them well. Your Aloo Tuk masala is ready. Now, how do we make this recipe? First, take the small potatoes and cut them into two halves. Now, sprinkle a little salt over the potatoes. Heat oil in a pan and cook the potatoes on a slow flame. After some time, check them with a knife to see if they are cooked from the inside. If you feel the potatoes are cooked, remove them onto a tissue paper to absorb any excess oil. Now, while the potatoes are still warm, do not let them become completely cold and gently flatten them. You can flatten them with your hands or simply place a tissue on the platform and press them through the tissue. This also helps remove all the excess oil. Now refry the flattened potatoes until they become golden brown and crispy. This step should not take you very long. Remove them again onto a tissue paper to remove any extra oil if needed, and generously sprinkle the homemade aloo tuk masala over the potatoes. And that's it. Your crispy and flavorful aloo tuk is ready. It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Serve it hot and enjoy this delicious Sindhi snack. If you like our recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.